Go, let's go. Different kind of exercise today, different kind. Burn it. Today is burning the leg. It's leg day, never skip leg day. Come on. Keep it low, nice. When you're tired, take a rest. Keep it like nice and slow. Nice and low. Nice and low. Yeah. Let's go. Next side of the row. Come on. You got this. Eat them. You feeling it in it, right? Huh? If you feel too much pressure on it, you don't do it. Okay. Good burn, good burn. This is different. This is different, guys. Different. Different. Come on. You got this. You got this, come on. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. I'm not ever gonna give you a time on this. How are you feeling?
A lot of pain.
Where, in the grind?
Your back.
Your back?
Like everything.
You wanna quit? You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. I don't think you should take it off. Huh? Huh?
Get busy now.
Don't cut your leg with that though. Okay. Let's go. He's who he is for a reason. He's not a seasonal kid, he's an all around, all season. Woo! Different. Different.
How you guys like the first? How much time is that?
So far?
Yeah.
3 minutes and 30 something seconds.
How you guys like the first 3 minutes of me just playing around? Now it's really time to get busy.
He said time to get busy. You heard that, guys? When DeMar just said time to get busy, it's really time to get busy.
Now we must do.
Come on. Let's do this.
I ain't crying. Yes, I am. Yes.
Come on. Different.
Yes.
This is what you call leg day.
Yes, I am.
Come on.
Yes, I
Who want to challenge us at the
Yes,
steps?
I am.
So far, no challenge come about.
Fire!
Who want peace? Who wants some? I don't see nobody coming for no smoke. Everybody running from the Joker steps. We want it. Bring it on. Everybody running. Nobody come. Nobody come. A lot of promises not come through. Jamali, you come through. Let's go. Can't scared of these. Let's go. Let's go. Don't skip leg day. Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Come on. Let's work this. Come on, you got this. Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Come on. Come on. Woo! Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Come on. We got this. We live this, breathe this. Come on, too. Watch your finger. You're almost done. You got this. You're there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Watch your stomach. Come on. Come on. Woo. Let's go. Young trainer. Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Come on. You got this? Let's finish strong. Come on, we got this. We got this. Come on. We got this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We got this. Come on. Come on. We got this. Come on. We got this. We got this. Center block. Come on. Cylinder block up the step. Choker step. 149? Come on. Come on. You got this, son. Come on. You're sweating. 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Mayday. Mayday. Don't skip leg day. Keep it nice and low. Turn it. I'm going to the next one right away. Just turn. Come on. Come on. Mayday, mayday. Don't skip leg day. Take a breather. Take a breather. Take a breather. Put it on for a second. Put it on for a second. Put it on for a second. Stretch a little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Eat them. Eat them. Yes. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Actually, dinner. It's dinner time. It's dinner time. Woo! They like they're burning? Woo! Let's go. Let's go. You got this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's eat 2 of these too. Right now. Right now. Let's do it under 10 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Come on. Come on. Just eat this.
Under 10.
Yeah, under 10. Come on. Under 10. Come on. Come on. Come on. Under 10. Let's go. Let's go, trainer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. You got this. Turn. Eat. Eat. Come on. Come on. You got this. Come on. Eat. Come on. Get into it. Just finish strong. Finish strong. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You got this. Come on. You got this. Come on. Eat. 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 Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's what we're talking about, man. What's good? How you doing, bro? How you feeling? That's the first time we did that kind of step work. How different it feels? Like, explain a little bit.
That's totally different. The
Stand up,
back is
stand up, stand up,
involved,
stand
the
up.
back is involved.
Put your hand up.
Your legs is involved.
Put your hand on your head, if anything.
Whew. Now look at me. I'm all sweaty. I'm trying to run through it just now. Listen. Definition of don't stop. Can't lie to you guys. A little pain in my right leg.
Yeah, you have that pain from the other day, yeah?
Once you start something, you can't quit. You can't quit. That's the mentality you're supposed to have. So guys, I need you to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Rate. Tell me how you think I did. Under 10 minutes. That's a strength no weakness workout right there. Believe it, achieve it, become it. So look.
And that's the truth.